Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at an interesting product from Native Union, and this is the Pop phone. You wouldn't expect to see this anymore, but some people like it because it's just much easier to use this type of Pop phone than headphones sometimes. It might not be when you want to use both hands, but if you just want to take calls and don't have your phone on your ear, especially when you're at home, and it brings back beautiful memories of when these were the main telecommunication devices. So as you can see, it's designed for smartphones, laptops, and tablets. And then it comes with two things. One is the warranty, and then that's the model itself. And it's just like it has the earpiece, the microphone, and there's also a pickup on hang up button, and then it's USB-C, and then this coiled cable, and you can connect to your phones, and the latest iPhones should support it as well, or to your laptops like I've done here. And I was able to take a Teams call without any issues, and it sounds very well. Let's just have a quick look. And it has enough weight to realize that it's a well made product, and that's how it is. And it has the hang up or answer button in there, which works perfectly fine. It's a really good quality device, and I'm really liking it, and I'm gonna take it to the office as well and enjoy some calls on it. So yeah, there you have it. I might put at the end a voice test I've recorded from this phone, just to get an idea. Pop, pop, popsicle, ice, ice, icicle, testing, 1, 2, 3.